this video, I'll show you how to create a 1x1-inch picture in Canva in less than a minute. Let's begin. Open Canva and click on Custom Size. Change the units 2 inches. Then type 1 for both width and height. Click Create New Design to start. Go to the Uploads tab and upload your image. Click on the uploaded image to add it to your page. Adjust the image size to fit the entire 1x1-inch page. Double-click the image to crop it if needed for perfect alignment. Go to the Share button in the top right, then click Download. Choose PNG as the file type, click Download, and your 1x1-inch image is ready. And that's it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.